lovers and friends, how y'all doing? I'm so excited that my no buy is over, and I can't wait to show you guys what I ended up buying, my first hair purchase. So if you want to hear about that, then you just want to stay tuned. And before you even want to hear everything else, hook me up, hit that subscribe button. We're very close to 500, and I have a giveaway coming as soon as I hit 500. So like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Amazing. Great. So my first purchase is a repeat, to be honest with you. I'm giving it a second try, and it's thumbnail, maybe not a thumbnail, icy hair, and I was going back and forth. I have looked at every video. This is definitely inspired by Sade Watkins, and using the Ivy flip over method for it, because I don't mind my edges being out, because when I want to be able to treat them more. And if you want to see my regimen or more details on that, leave a comment below, sis. We can grow our edges together. We about growth over here. It was inspired by her, and what I liked about what Sade was doing that I thought could work for me, because although I love the versatility of a lace frontal, but I ideally don't like to wear them for more than a month, to be honest. And then I'm ready for a new style, or I'm going back and forth between different synthetic wigs. But as y'all know, I got a new gig, and my new gig, I just want to look more consistent, and I don't want to have to worry, because already the commute is a little vicious. So getting up, beating my face, and putting on a wig, it's just too much daggone work. So anyway, I digress. Hope y'all don't mind me talking to y'all, because y'all know how I'm sensitive. I got a thing on. I made a flip over. No, I did. I made a quick flip over wig this week. It was nothing to talk about. It was my first time doing it, and I used the super bond glue, whatever, and I did it on my head. But it's a kinky straight. If you guys really want to see it, I can present it to you, but it's really not no big deal. So I kind of like that, but I did not like I really didn't really want to put heat, because what happens is that, I don't know about y'all, but my hair in the front is super sensitive and can become heat damaged easily, and I don't want that to happen, because already the front of my hair has a looser natural curl pattern than the back of my hair, you know what I mean? So I didn't want anything that I just want something that I can twist up, or whatever the case may be. What I liked about, going back to what I liked about Sade, because I'm rambling at this point, is that she actually made the Ivy Powell thing, and then she sewed down the wig, and I think that will kind of be more long lasting from that perspective. And for some reason, I'm really digging, I really want curly hair. So I had sold my IC Beauty wig that I made, because for some reason I got originally I had 20 inches, 18 inches, and 16 inches, and I think I told you, in a lace closure, and I was trying to make that into a flipper wig. It just the length and how I cut it, it just didn't look right. It didn't sit on my head correctly, but it was beautiful hair, to be honest, beautiful hair. It's not quite the same kinky curly as my hair, but it was honestly beautiful hair. So I was going back and forth, and I was like, okay, I want some volume. I don't want something that I don't have to flat iron. I can just kind of twist it and make it work. We hope. And so I'm going to follow her updated routine to the T with this hair. So I just wanted to unbox it. This time I ordered it. Last time I ordered it directly from their website. This time I was just being lazy, I'll be very honest with you, and I just put it in my Prime, because they are on Amazon, and it's the same. It's the 9A kinky curly, and then instead of getting different lengths, I think this will work better, because I kind of wanted to hit right here. I got 18 inches, so I I got 3 bundles of 18 inches. Now, my first thoughts is like, ooh, maybe I should have got a 4-pack because I got a small head, but now I remember that I didn't have that much left. I had 3 packs and a closure, and I didn't have that much left, but it actually was a little bit too big, so I got to be really careful how I'm going to do this. In fact, I'm going to record that and put that in maybe a separate video on it. I really want this wig to be long lasting, so I wanted to do a quick weave because I like when you glue it on your head, like it fits, but it's not gonna last, and I want to be able to get this wet and things of that nature. So here's the hair. I think this time what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to, should I wash it or should I just throw it? I don't know, but I'll do a prep video if you guys want to see that. I'll record it and post it on how I turn this into a wig. And I'm going to be following Sade's thing, and she does a slight different version from Ivy Flip Over. But what I liked about it is that she was able to change the flip as well as do something in the middle. I don't know how I'll do something in the middle, but with my hair length. Once this gets curly again, whatever the case may be. So that's what I bought with my nobody. That's what's going on. That's the looks we doing. We giving lace frontals a break, and lace frontals I mean in terms of me sewing it down and wearing it for like 3 weeks at a time. I still be rocking them because I did buy these wigs, but I'm not, you know, I'm gonna be taking them on and off, and definitely not putting anything on my edges from the Got To Be glue line. So y'all look out, watch out for that. All right, y'all, see y'all soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.